The canTransform method compares two input strings, start and end, to determine if they can be transformed into each other. It first checks if the lengths of both strings are equal and if they have the same set of characters. Then it verifies that the counts of L and R are the same in both strings. After these initial checks, the method iterates through both strings, skipping any X characters. While iterating, it checks the relative ordering of L and R characters. If R appears in the start string, it must also appear in the end string, and the R in start should come before the corresponding R in end. Similarly, if L appears in start, it must also appear in end, and the L in start should come after the corresponding L in end. If any of these conditions are not met, the method returns false. If the iteration completes without any issues, it means that the transformation is possible, and the method returns true, indicating a valid transformation.